Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Yes, guys, angakagadi umfazi enze into ebuhlungu komunye umfazi. Angigadanga. Ngihlangana nobhuti la. Ubhuti uthi uyangithanda, uyasichaza the way angithanda ngakhona, okay. Hayi angisherela namanamba vele hayi sesiyathandana nobhuti. Ngihlala emcashweni. Hayi uyeza ubhuti wami emcashweni vele sikuba right kuba mnandi. Uyahamba. Makahamba ubuyela endlini lapha ahlala khona. Athi usebenzela eSouth Africa but uhlala eSwatini. Okay, makathi uhlala usebenzela eSouth Africa athi ngakusasa uyahamba uya eSouth Africa. Ucela kungibona before ahamba. Ngithi mina okay. Ngakusasa ekseni vele ngikade ukuthi uzongibona. Kungene iWhatsApp angitshele ukuthi akakakhona ukuhamba uyagula uphathekile kakhulu akakhona usho kwenzani ucela ngize ngizomhlola lapha khona. Ngithi mina okay baby ayikho inkinga ngizoza. Ngivuke ekseni vele ngithi hayi angiye emsebenzini ngilungise ngimfolele ngithi baby ayisengigibelile manje sikhuluma ngeWhatsApp ngisengigibelile manje athi okay ngicela ukunikeza ama direction angitshele athi angeke ngikhona ukuhlangabeza station because I'm very weak abosisi bami bazokulanda station. Ngithi na okay ngifike vele station mangehle station hawu ngithole vele abosisi bayi3 hawu bangijabulele squeezer unjani hey ubhuti ethu uyagula akakakhona ikhamba izolo ingabona hawu nami ngijabule vele bangijabulela yabona sikhuphuke sihambe siye ekhaya masifike ekhaya ngibabuze ngithi ugayulele kuphi but bangibonise eroom lakhe ngilapha eroom lakhe bangibonise ngihambe ke kuleya room mangifika kuleya room khumla icathulo ngifuna ukungena phela bosisi bangilandela ngemuva ngingene mangingena endlini ugaya kekho ngithola umfazi wakhe laba labangilande estation abangani bomfazi wakhe. Ugayi ukhohlwe ifone endlini wahamba waya kuphi wabiyela eJozi. Athi umfazi mangena yes ngwadla yes bitch uwelo business ndoda yami. Ngithi mina hawu mina angazi ukuthi unomfazi lo muntu la akakangitshela ukuthi unomfazi. Bangitrape bangishaye mantombazana ingakhe ayi3 4 ngomfazi. Bazenzele bangikhumule bathatha ama picture yonke into labafuna ukuzenzela yona baplaka igedlela lapha liyabila bathi sithi sifuna ukuqeda ngawe today. Thatha ifoni yami vele bayibulala if ifoni phelile vele. Athi umfazi sisi ngicela ungikhumulele ngifuna wenze lento boyenza nendoda yami izolo. Athi ngimkhise ngimbrushe ngimromance ngiyenze whatsoever longayicabanga yenziwa abantu abathandanayo. Bathatha ama picture bogeli mina ngibhizi ngikhothana nomfazi wendoda. Indoda ikhohla ifoni ayazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Hawu after that ngapha bayangishaya phela after that athi usisi manje sengizokukhulula ngifike ekseni ngabo 8 bazongikhulula ngabo 8 late ntambama. Athi manje sizokukhulula lapha sicela ukuthi mawuphuma la uhambe ungabheki emuva. Before bangitshela lento leyo athi okay indoda yami izobuya ngelanga lengukuthi ngicela ukuthi mawubuya la ungicokele ishoti ungifakele skipa lesinjanjani ayishisa iskipa sakhona ungichinele nama braids enhloko uveza amathanga mawuza la. Ngithi mina okay ngiphume vele phela ngimamela yonke into labayishowo ngiyashaywa ligedlela liplakiwe lapha iayina iplakiwe lapha vele nje ngithobela yonke into abayishoyo. Hayi bangikhulule ngiphume mangiphuma ngivalelisa ngithi nisaleni kahle ngomoya lo phansi nisaleni kahle ngizonibona ngedate so ngizobuya. but okay ngiphuma mangiphuma ngidibana nenye imoto iyemi imoto like ubhuti yangishela hayi unjani sisi ngithi mina ngiyaphila athi hey ngiyakuthanda ngivele ngimthele ngenyembezi ubhuti athi hawo sisi kwenzakalani wakhala ngena emotweni ngimcocela istory kwenzeke so ubhuti angithatha ngise police station. Masifike police station ngibacocela indaba amaphoyisa vele kuphuma amaveni ayi2 but asambe siyele labe bakwenza lento le kamfazi. Masifika kamfazi sithola ukuthi abangani sebahambile kusela umfazi amaphoyisa amthatha umfazi ngithi mina before siphuma la endlini la ngicela kuphume icamera lebe bangishutha ngayo ithombe zami ngingagcokanga bangishutha ikuku bangishutha yonke into. Phela umfazi angitshela ukuthi ngithi yenza lento boyenza nendoda yami ngifuna kubona la kungene khona lipipi lendoda yami vula sisi vule nami emathanga bathatha ama-picture vele ngiwatshela amaphoyisa ngithi before siphuma la ngifuna leyo camera leyo siyiguduza icamera siyithole kwa-washing basket. Nawo phela amaphoyisa sekafuna manje bosisi labanye umfazi asirroundisa ilokisha asirroundisa akafuna ukhipha abangani bakhe after 2 hours kana khipha abangani bakhe thatha abangani bakhe kuyiwe police station babavalele ngihambe icourt family yami iyangisekela nayo la eceleni vele bayangisupporta nabangani bami nasemsebenzini hambe icourt hayi baboshwe vele bosisi bahlala ejele isikhathi nomfazi phakathi bahlala kwathi makuphela boma 3 months 4 months ngithi ngiyasiphumela ngiyosithengela ama-veg nangugayi ngavele ngambulisa ngathi unjani bamshise nge-acid akabukeki ubhuti kusho ukuthi bamshise nge-acid kuphi le South Africa la thengisela khona because uthi yena usebenzele South Africa but uhlala eSwaziland bamshise nge-acid akabukeka ngathi nangithi sawubona bhuti wavele wabheka le wadlwa amahloni uyeza part 2. Okay guys, mangiphuma endlini vele ngiyambona ugayi ushiswa i-acid vele akabhekeki ngimbulisa liwe emahloni ngihambe ngisichubekele ngisithengela ama-veg wami mangifika lapha emavegini ngibona umngani wami sisebenza sonke umngani wami vele ajabule hey right ngithi hayi ngishaba athi umngani wami asambe let's go out like tonight ngithi mina okay hayi siphume vele siye out siyophuza masifika la besiphuza khona like it's a car wash so sithola ama-GP so seswatini thola ukwabona na ubona imoto ebhalethi GP useSwaziland kuba like this guy have money it how sifike lapha vele ama-GP agcwele so hawu umngani wami vele sonomuntu lapha kuphuzwe fike isikhathi sokuthi kuyolalwa bangithathe bangidrop endlini ngakusasa kanjalo athi umngani wami hey Chomi boyfriend phela uthi siphuma for ilunch ungasijoyina hawu hambe nami vele ngibajoyine like vele sesicala ibond mina umngani wami uboyfriend omngani wami lobuye eSouth Africa hawu like sisherela nama-number noguy wase-South Africa boyfriend omngani wami sherela nama-number vele sekuyakhulunywa nge-WhatsApp it's not like siyajola like yabo hi nihamba phi nikuphi injani impilo yabona ngithi mina guy lo South Africa guy ngicela ungiphe le phone oyisebenzisayo wabona athi hayi khululeka mangibuyela eSouth Africa uzokunikeza ifone ngithi mina okay ngiyabonga kakhulu hayi lifike ilanga lethi umngani wami ahamba ovakashela boyfriend wakhe eSouth Africa ngisho guys ohambile ubuyele emuva akanginiki ifone ungitshela ukuthi hey unginika ama stories nje la ngazwakala umngani wami kufike ilanga lethi kumele ovakashe eSouth Africa manje angifonele uguy boyfriend omngani wami athi yazini kunomunye umfana okubonile la fonini yami uthi uyakuthanda ngithi he serious athi uthi uyakuthanda ngithi mina okay mnika ama-number amnika ama-number angi-WhatsApp guy maka-WhatsApp guy ufake mina profile picture yakhe like me the whole me athi guy hi ngithi hi sikhulume vele uzozanini eSouth Africa uzongibona ngithi mina ngizobona athi okay girlfriend omngani wami uyeza eSouth Africa so if you don't mind ungeza naye ngithi mina okay first time ngiya eSouth Africa vele umngani wami angitshela ukuthi uyahamba uyeswa eSouth Africa. Hayi nami vele ngilungise ngithatha ama passport South Africa. Thatha ama passport vele sithi eSouth Africa. How first day ngiya eSouth Africa angazi nothi uphuma ubhekephi. Nako nami eborder. Uyaphi sis? Ubuya nini? Ngisho ukuthi ngiyabuya after 3 days. Emsebenzini ngithatha i-sick note ngutshela. How size South Africa, enjoy visit vele kube mnandi kuntambama kuphunye kuwe emathaveni kuphuzwe kwemnandi sihlale 2 days ilanga lesi3 sibuyele eSwaziland. Hayi vele seyinto yethu because uGayi ngithema ngimbona la bathi uyangithanda nami ngamthanda yabona. Seyinto yethu vele ukuthi every month kuphi South Africa, every month South Africa. Ngithema ngithatha inyanga yesi3 ngile South Africa oqala ngaya kwesi2 okwesi3 ya meeting Nkabi ngamitha pregnant manje mtshela Gayi ukuthi phela manje sengipregnant so nje athi uGayi angeke ngize ngikhone ukusupporta umntwana ungekho eduzane nami so kumele usuke eSwaziland uzohlala eSouth Africa. Unami thatha ikhwama ngipake South Africa umama ngikutshele umama ngimtshele shiya abantwana nako nami gijimisana nendoda South Africa hlanyisa ligama South Africa fike South Africa ihlale nomfana umfana angibonise ema true colors wakhe yey wena ngimithe vele sengimithe ngihlale nomfana siqabana. Umfana ngitshela ukuthi mangifika angitshela ukuthi yena unomntwana lomncane baby mama so umntwana uyasupport ekhaya every month. Kuphi umntwana kusiye wakhe umntwana wa girlfriend bayathandana nje imisling. Okay lifike ilanga lekuthini manje kumele Gayi ayoziveza ekhaya ukuthi phela manje sengiganyile ngiphekise umuntu. Angifone ngihambe ngekhaya ngiyovakasha ngisuke eSouth Africa ngithi ngiyovakasha mangifika ekhaya athi angifonela athi siyeza nefamily yami introduce ekhaya kini so ngicela batshele balungise. Awu nami phela ukwabona kuthiwa kuza umuntu wakho uzosintroduce ekhaya kini nefamily yakhe. Tshela bomalume tshela mama wami vele kwahlangwana kwaba ngumndeni ongaka gqwalisa ithi ngiyenza so. Where's umfana? Guess what? Wezadakiwe umfana. Sana bangani bakhe. Udakiwe. Uyangizwa ngithina akukhona ngisho. Emahloni mina lapha ngisakhali. Ngibaqwalise sitting room bantu abadala. Angene nabangani bakhe badakiwe. Yazini. Badakiwe. Khulunywa ukuthi uzosintroduce efilmini yami. Kumele phela beke imali. Pants. Ngitshela ukuthi ubeke malini 300 rand from South Africa to Swaziland 300 rand nabangani bakhe. Yazi ngakhala enomama makasebenza usuka kude kanjani usuka kude usuka kwakhe uyakha kubo la kumele bahlanganele khona ayibeka umfana 300 ngakusasa ngo after masicede ekhaya sisuke sibuyele la ngihlala khona emcashweni fike emcashweni umfana kuthiwe bathi bayophuza nebangani bakhe babuyele etshwaleni ashiya ifone ingenelele ifone yakhe bayathandana nomuntu wakhe mine ngiyabacabanisa ngenza irelationship yawo ukuthi ihlangahlangane yazini wabuyele emuva umfana nami ngabuyele emuva eSouth Africa ngithi ngipregnant phela ngizowenza kanjani fike eSouth Africa sihlale sisu sesinanga manje 7 to 8 months athi umfana ngcono baby kuthi uhambe uyotetela ekhaya eLimpopo ngoba mawutetela umfana eSwaziland umntana ngeke abe necertificate nami ngimamele ngithi okay bangani bakhe bangitshela wathi hey ungayi ekhaya lomfana hawu nami ngothando nako ngishona sifike eLimpopo ngihlale guess what angiyazi language ngibuye eSwatini angizwa nokuthi bathini bakhuluma bathini angizwa lutho luckily sikwiza seyi-1 siya-understanda ila isiswati kancane. Hawu sihlale sikhombe ingenzani family ayingifuni. Bangitshela kahle bathi wethu umntwana uzoshada and bakhuluma ngelilwimi labo. Angifuni ukujambisa ukuthi liphi ilwimi. Bakhuluma ngelilwimi labo bacabanga ukuthi mina ngeke ngibezwe kanti mina ngiyezwa. Phela sengihleli kakhulu nalomuntu kuphi eJozi. Sengiyabezwa bakhuluma nabangani bakhe, so sengiyabezwa ukuthi oh la bathi yabona. Ngikhumbula nyelanga sihlele sitting room khona le emzini wabantu. Isikwiza sakhona sathi sisi ngicela uhambe eCameroon sifuna kudla. Asukuma nesisami lesingaka ngaye eCameroon ngayohlala khona ukuthi bakhona ukudla kusho ukuthi mina ngendani ngiyabanyanyisa angeke baze bakhona ukudla phambi kwami. Ngahlala ngathi mangitetela khona le ngithe mangiteta umntwana ngamtshela gaye ngathi umntwana sengitetile. First day lona yoyo geli loyo lebeka silwisa angitshela ukuthi ubaby mama wakhe ekhaya kube sebangitshela bathi umntwana kanamntwana first born yakhe lo iphethe wena akanamntwana. Baby mama wakhona ufaka umntanami profile picture newborn lele na 1 day. If ngafonela gaye ngathi ngicela utshele umuntu wakho asuse umntanami profile picture. Ngicela nje umtshela asuse umntanami profile picture. Angifuni ukuthi size silwe. Wathi ukhuluma ngani? Mina ngimazi ngaWhatsAppela girl because my number bengiwantshontshile ngiwafaka efonini yami ngamtshela girl ngathi yazini ngicela udelete ngicela ukhipha umntanami profile picture. Wathi ngumntanethu lo umntanethu. After the time sendela ama picture userumini lami la ngihlala khona na guy eJozi mina ngisemakhaya. Bayashuthana bangcuna bacoka ngabayapheka kumnandi. Sathi stress sawubona sisi. Ngapha nginenewbene ngishubisa liphumi. Sathi stress sawubona sisi. Uyeza part 3.
Just by listening to the story, I'm actually sitting here asking myself, is there any woman who still listens to that thing? Like, the wife must go emakaya and stay with the in-laws, and is there any woman who still takes that, guys? I don't think we still have to take that because we all know it will not end well. It will not end well at all. Like the in-laws will abuse you to a point where by now you can say, I messed up. I messed up big time. I feel like it's much better for you to struggle or to fight with your man, only the two of you, and then you fix your things while staying the two of you. Not going to stay with the in-laws, guys. Stop this thing. We have been seeing women going through hell and back because of this thing. Of saying now you are married, it doesn't matter whether your husband is there or he's not there. You move into your in-laws, you stay with your in-laws, it never ends well. I feel like if you do your own things and not follow what the Bible says, it always fall apart, man. It always ends in tears. Because in the Bible, it is written that a man must marry his wife, move out of his father's house and mother's house, and go live with his wife. Him and his wife shall become one, which means you don't have to stay with your in-laws. I'm 100% sure that whoever wrote the Bible knows what if you stay with the in-laws, it will end in tears, because it's very rare, man. I've never actually come across a woman saying, okay, I've stayed with my in-laws and things were very good. Nope, I've never heard of such. It always ends in tears. Women are always being abused, and and the men cannot do anything. And on the other hand, again, I do understand, because remember this, maybe it's his mother. What can you say to your mother? There's nothing you can say. Your mother is supposed to be the one to think for you to say, no, I have to protect my son's house. But unfortunately, it's not like that. It is really not like that. Let's just avoid this thing of going to stay with your mother-in-law, especially when you're pregnant. You're actually opening up this space for this man to cheat in peace.